Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create roadmaps in Jira step by step. If you're a complete beginner and have never used Jira before, don't worry, I'll explain everything in a simple and practical way. Jira is a project management tool developed by Atlassian and is widely used for tracking tasks, sprints, and long-term project planning. Let's get started. First, what is a roadmap in Jira? A roadmap is a visual timeline of your project. It shows epics, tasks, and their progress over time. It helps teams understand priorities, deadlines, and overall direction. Now, let's create one. Step 1. Log in to your Jira account. Open your browser and go to your Jira workspace URL. Sign in with your email and password. Step 2. Open or create a project. From the dashboard, click on Projects. You can either open an existing project or click Create Project. If you're new, choose a project template like Scrum or Kanban and follow the setup steps. Once inside the project, you're ready to create a roadmap. Step 3. Enable the roadmap feature. In most Scrum projects, the roadmap option appears in the left sidebar. Click on Roadmap. If you don't see it, go to Project Settings, then Features, and make sure the roadmap feature is turned on. Step 4. Create epics for your roadmap. Roadmaps are built using epics. Click on Create Epic inside the roadmap view. Give your epic a name, a start date, and an end date. For example, website redesign, mobile app launch, marketing campaign. Once created, the epic will appear as a timeline bar on the roadmap. Step 5. Add issues under each epic. Now, create tasks or stories and link them to your epic. Click Create. Choose the issue type like story or task. Under the epic link field, connect it to the epic you created. This groups related tasks under the same roadmap timeline. Step 6. Adjust timeline dates. You can drag the edges of the epic bar directly in the roadmap view to adjust start and end dates. This makes it easy to visually plan and shift schedules. Step 7. Track progress. As team members complete tasks, progress will automatically update in the roadmap. You can quickly see what's in progress, what's delayed, and what's completed. This gives a clear overview of your project's health. Step 8. Use Advanced Roadmaps if optional. If you're using Jira Premium, you can access Advanced Roadmaps. This allows cross-project roadmaps, dependency tracking, capacity planning, and multiple team views. This is useful for larger teams or organizations managing complex projects. And that's it. That's how you create and manage roadmaps in Jira step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical project management tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.